Russian Spacewalk 60 will be conducted by Sergey Prokopyev, EV-1 in the red stripes, and Dmitri Petelin, EV-2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock with 2 micrometeoroid debris, or MMOD, shield bundles, with each crew securing a bundle to themselves. After stowing the bundles, they'll turn on the helmet video and lights, then begin translation to Strela 2, a telescopic pole that can be used as a crane to move crew and equipment around. Once they arrive at the Zarya module, the crew will continue nadir onto the Rassvet module until they reach the first MMOD shield install worksite. The crew will work together to install 2 shields. They'll then translate further nadir where the last shield will be installed. From there, Sergey and Dmitri will translate to Rassvet's aft face, where they'll arrive at the portable workstation. The portable workstation is removed from Rassvet and installed onto the European Robotic Arm, or ERA. Once the workstation is installed, ERA will maneuver over to the Poisk module. Sergey and Dmitri will retrieve a few launch restraints and begin translation back to the Poisk module, stopping at the Strela 1 operator's post to temporarily stow the restraints. Sergey and Dmitri will then each retrieve a crew lock bag from the airlock and stow it on their suits. The crew will then translate nadir to the Nauka module via Strela 1 and meet up with ERA and the portable workstation. Sergey will ingress the workstation while Dmitri positions himself to take imagery of the robotic operations. ERA will perform a lengthy maneuver with Sergey and arrive back at the Nauka module ingress point. Sergey will egress the portable workstation and both him and Dmitri will translate back zenith to the Poisk airlock. Crew will retrieve a protective shroud bundle from the airlock and translate to the Strela 1 operator's post. Sergey will ingress the operator's post foot restraint, and together the crew will jettison both the shroud bundle and the launch restraints that were stowed earlier in the spacewalk. Once the jettison is complete, the pair will translate back to the airlock and perform a tool inventory. After inspecting each other's suits, the crew will ingress and close the hatch, ending Russian Spacewalk 60.
Subscribe for more space.